So it's going to be a reading for the sign of Libra. So all that you need to know about your person, where your connection is going. Okay. So one card for what's currently happening in your connection, what's currently happening. This is going to be for the next 5 to 7 days. Okay. A general reading, soulmate reading. So where it's all going, what can you possibly expect for the next couple of days. Okay. Right now with the high priestess, bottom card, the star. In the past you lost hope that this connection could lead some way. Instead of giving you anything, it was rather draining from you. Okay, and it was making you feel helpless, it was making you feel miserable. Okay, right now we both are in this phase of the high priestess. I believe both are not talking, both are not initiating, and there's complete silence going on. Okay, top card we have is Ten of Wands. It is burdening you. This silence as well is killing you. It's not helping you in any which way. It's kind of stressing you out. In the past as well, there was, even if there was communication, no communication, I believe you guys lost hope in this connection. You slowly but surely started losing hope that this could lead somewhere, or this would have any sort of positive outcome. Okay, so give me one more card as to what's currently happening in Libra's life, Libra's soulmate connections. What's currently happening in Libra's life? I hope you guys are doing well. The past few days have not been very good for me. December started well, but the last couple of days has been a bit heavy, so I haven't really touched my cards. As soon as I was feeling good, I started with the Libra. Okay. So yeah, right now with the Fool card, many of you guys are very much wanting to take that leap of faith forward in life. Okay, I'm not going to say that you're going to wanting to move towards your person. I feel overall you want to take or make a fresh start, take a new jump forward, take that step forward in life. Okay, in the past with Ten of Pentacles, I feel on some which level in the past you guys were very focused on your pentacles, finances, family life. If you got kids and all, then your family. Okay, top card we have is Six of Wands. Okay, so many of you guys, I believe in some which way, may want to keep yourself open to new situations, suitors, new connections. This won't go for everyone, but yes, some part of you, I believe, that is wanting to keep yourself open towards new connections. Okay, because the past one is basically going no fucking way. Okay, so yeah, in terms of your person, what's up with them? In terms of Libra soulmate, what's up with them? One card for that, please, Spirit. Okay, with the Moon card, this person has been hiding themselves from you. Okay, I also feel like this person, even if they have emotions, is not expressing shit, not even making any sort of move towards you. Rather, they are basically hiding from wanting to come forward, wanting to express themselves, wanting to communicate, nothing that sort. Okay, so basically they could also be hiding certain secrets from you, like they're not wanting to come forward. Okay, in the past as well, Four of Pentacles, very much selfish card. Not in terms of selfish as in like the bad way. It's just that they don't want to hurt themselves. If this connection has been something that has never had a very sort of a positive outcome, then they are very much fearful of that repeating all over again, the cycle repeating. They are very fearful of being a part of it, and it all possibly not working in the end. Okay, so they are basically protecting themselves. That was their energy in the past, but right now with the Moon card, they are not very much forthcoming. They are not very much wanting to take any sort of action, very much silent, very much thinking about you, but not really wanting to take any sort of action towards you. Top card we have is Four of Cups. So yes, still very much resisting you. Okay, so yes, like what else is happening in their life? What else is happening in their life? Okay, we have two cards. So they are going through this basically a lot of karma, I would say. Okay, many of you guys did question whether there is a third party. Okay, and I believe on some which level that even if they possibly try to move forward in a certain direction, to not think about you, or possibly used another connection to not want to be a part of this or think about this, then that did not work. Okay, I feel right now they're going through the consequences of their past action, could say karma, but yeah, I don't see them being in a good energy. I feel they're going through a lot which you do not know about. Okay, with the Moon card, they're not really wanting to talk about it in any which way or form. Okay, I still feel this person pretends to be fine when they are not. They are clearly not fine. Okay, if you're a cross watcher, you don't possibly agree to it. Okay, so one card for their energy towards you now. One card for their energy towards you. Libra soulmates energy towards Libra. Okay, we have a card with the Hanged Man. They are still possibly keeping themselves at that same place where they were, not taking action, not in any which way wanted to come forward, still keeping themselves stuck. Okay, in the past I believe on some which level they tried to initiate conversation with you, but right now they are still wanting to stay where they are, still very very defensive. Okay, I also get a bit of you know them wanting you to take action. I don't see them wanting to take action. They rather want you to come forward. Okay, give me one more card as to how are they thinking about you currently. How are they possibly thinking about you currently? How are they possibly thinking about you? Okay, with Two of Pentacles, they are still juggling. Okay, they do not know what to do. They do not know whether they should hold back or take action. But majorly they are holding back. Like 75% they are holding back. 25% they might get that urge to reach out. Okay, with Four of Swords, yes, some of them are possibly wanting to reach out, but that's 25%. Majorly I see them holding back. Okay, so one more card. What action do they want to take towards you? What action are they possibly want to take towards you? What action is the Libra soulmate possibly want to take towards Libra? Four of Swords in the reverse is someone wanting to come out of that silencing phase, or that this breakup phase. This was a temporary breakup. Okay, Four of Swords is that energy where a person decided to stay away from you. Okay, it was very much I would say, yeah, Ace of Cups. This person wants to open up and have this connection with you again, but they are very fearful. I'll be honest with you, they're very fearful of this repeating, this cycle repeating, this starting off again but also ending on that same note like it has ended. Okay, with top card with Five of Cups, I believe they do not want to stay stuck in the past. Majorly they wish to come forward, majorly they wish to let go of the past and start fresh with you. Okay, from now onwards I would not want to give you guys any sort of sugar coated or any sort of sweet reading. My readings are going to be straight to the point. Okay, you like it, you do not like it, that's none of my business. I do not want any sort of negative karma from any side. I would not want to possibly give you any false hope. If I see something good, I'll let you know. If I do not see something good, that's how it's going to go. Okay, I believe that they want to come forward, but majorly they'll resist. Okay, so this might take time. Okay, in terms of action in the future, that is planning, I believe they wish to come forward. They wish to let go of the past and start fresh with you all over again. Okay, so one card for their intentions, one card for their intentions towards you now. Their intentions towards Libra, please. Okay, with Empress card, they wish to grow. They wish this continues to possibly grow and move forward. In the past, right now, I still do not see them taking action, howsoever. Okay, and I believe that this will take time, darling. Right now, both are not initiating anything, both are not possibly investing anything, both are at that same place where they were couple of days. Okay, so yes, one card for their current feelings towards you, one card for their current feelings towards you. With Ace of Wands, very much passionate, very much the fire is still there. Okay, in the past there was conflict, there was drama, there was this ego thing going on where you guys both have a thing for each other, very strong one, Ace of Cups, Ace of Wands, but still wanting to resist it. Okay, with Knight of Swords, majorly they wish to reach out to you, they wish to be around you, they wish to talk to you. Okay, that's their energy. Okay, so one card for how do they feel for you now. How do they feel for you now? One card. We have a card, Chariot card. They majorly want to come forward, darling. Okay, so what's really holding them back? What's really holding them back? What's the main blockage? What's the main blockage? Blockage has been confusion. Okay, blockage has majorly been confusion. Okay, for some of you there was a possible someone from their past could have possibly returned in their life, could be a ex, or could be someone they had a thing for in the past, and that could have got in the way. Okay, I would want to give you a possibility, not for all, but for some of you. For some of you, they had other options which were much easier. Remember, okay, do not think all selfishly. This connection was difficult for the both of you. I know you do want to blame them over it because they've possibly sabotaged it, but it wasn't very easy for them either. No one wants to be a part of a difficult connection which is basically going nowhere. Okay, they had their option, they had their easier option, and some of them could have wanted to choose a easier option. Okay, but they are still stuck on you. They are very much still stuck on you. Even if they tried elsewhere or possibly tried to move elsewhere, that did not work for them. That did not feel anything. Okay, your heart lies here, but it's easier somewhere else, darling. Okay, with Nine of Swords, I feel it really made them go through a lot. It was very stressful, very draining. They did not know what the outcome would possibly be in this connection, and it has a lot to do with the future. Okay, they did not know what would happen, like between the two of you. Okay, so where it's going forward, for Libras, where is it going forward for Libras for a couple of. Okay, with King of Swords, there are high chances that there will be communication by the end of the week. Okay, with Ace of Pentacles, I do see it majorly moving forward. Chances are by the end of 12th, 13th, this person will want to communicate. Okay, so yes, in terms of what they want from you, what are they not telling you, what they've been hiding from you, and where this is going forward for the next couple of days, let's say the next coming weeks, from 10th to the 18th, is going to be on the extended. However, I'll give you a couple of love messages from your person. Okay, that's going to be on extended, which is going to be posted tonight. So if you buy it, I'll be possibly able to send it within 6 hours. Okay, so yeah. So what would your person wish to say to you that they are not being able to say so far through the silence? What's the message they'll possibly want to deliver? Okay, I drink to numb the pain. So I very much feel like this person is doing something to possibly not feel it. Okay, they are basically drinking, or they are doing something, maybe drugs, maybe even trying to get other person's attention to not possibly think about it. It is paining them. However you think that your person is a narcissist and they are a devil, basically, it still hurts them to not be a part of you, to not have you around. Okay, give me one more card. What would they want to tell you right now? Spirit, most connect card in the deck, please. I miss your touch, so very much they are missing you. Okay, and last card we have for you. I know this is once in a lifetime connection. That's why they're not quitting on you. Okay, I feel that this connection is not going anywhere, but chances are it is going to be very much stagnant. It's going to be on and off, but it's going to get somewhere, regarded you both work on it. Okay, nothing is going to be magical. Like people say that, if God willing, it's going to work, but if you don't put the effort and they don't put the effort, it's not going to work. Okay, so yes, this is your reading for the next 5 to 6 days for Libra. If it resonated, be kind enough to hit the like button. It greatly helps my channel. All those who wish to buy the extended, it's going to be up for purchase for $5 on my website, on my shop. Okay, and such messages from your person is also going to be up. Two tarot cards and 2 messages from your person, what they wish to say to you. That's going to be up for $20. It's going to be a short reading, like around say 5 to 7 minutes, based on what your person is wanting to say to you. And it's going to be for $20. It's going to be up on my shop. The waiting is 7 days. Okay, thank you so much, and see you soon, guys. Cheers.